All right, welcome back to LearnWire. Today we're going to be looking at Butternut AI. This platform gives you the ability to use this AI platform to build your dream website in seconds with prompts without any coding. Looks like it has 30 reviews and it's averaging about a 4.5 stars. We're going to go and just jump right into the pricing. So I'm going to go over here and just look at the pricing. So license tier 1 comes in at 69 bucks. You're going to get one live website, link up to one custom domain, 10 gigabytes of hosting per site. So that part is a little confusing. I don't know why they're saying 10 gigabytes hosting per site when you only get one website, but it's just wording in this little template right over here. 10 AI generated blog posts per month. So that's probably going to be a big separator. Going into license tier 2, 100, and you get to publish up to 3 websites, 3 custom domains, 100 gigabytes of hosting per site. So you're getting a lot more, 10 times the site size. So you need to keep that in mind when you're making a purchase on this if you decide to get this. License tier 1 is really starting to look like it just would not be a good package to pick up unless you just literally have a business website that you need to create and it's not going to have like a big blog on it or anything like that. Then you probably could get away with that. But generally speaking, I can see this immediately that license tier 2 is what you'd want to go in at. So again, license tier 2, $169, 3 websites, 100 gigabytes hosting per website, unlimited AI blog posts per month, unlimited AI agent queries per month. So then it has a WhatsApp integration, a custom code embedding. The part that is kind of interesting to me is the unlimited AI generated blog posts per month. That tells me right away that they're using the free versions of ChatGPT or OpenAI because there's no way that you can sustain that, right? So that's not going to cost them any money. It's just using free AI content. So you're not going to be getting the best content on your website. So I'm not that impressed with that. We used to be impressed with this unlimited AI content, but I'm no longer impressed with that anymore. And I don't know about you guys. Leave a comment below if you agree with that. So we're going to go in. License tier 3 takes a really big jump into 409. You're going to get 10 websites and pretty much everything else stays the same. Let's go in here and take a look at maxing out at the license tier 4 is $719 and you're going to get 25 websites. Okay, so let's go jump in real quick. So here's what the dashboard looks like in Butternut AI. There's not a whole lot going on. We're going to go over here. I'll click on the help button over here. Need assistance. You can either email them or you can go and book a Zoom call as well. But what I would really like to see and what's just very common these days is to have a chat function over here where you can get immediate assistance if you need it. That tells me in a sense that this is probably a small team that's managing this and they just don't have the ability to do that. I don't know about you. I don't really like getting on the chat things right over here, the chat bots, and then they're basically AI assistants anyway. So it's not that helpful in my opinion. Usually when you need help, you need to talk with somebody, right? So I guess I'm okay with that. It would be nice if they had someone online, but I do like that they easily give you the ability to email them. And, hopefully they have good, response time on that. Then you have your billing, you have your website mapping. This is where you would go and you would add your site. You would go and click on this and let's see, I'm not really seeing where we would go and add our website, but that's about it, guys. I mean, it's a very simple user interface right now. Not a lot of options. The only real option you have on the whole site is right here to push the create button. Let's go and create a website. And let's just say, I'm just going to call this Yoga Crush. Okay, so I just made something up right here. We teach yoga classes, blah, blah, blah. So I put in a bunch of stuff about what our services are, even put in there that we do hot yoga, which is 85 degrees temperature, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to push the generate button and we will see what ends up happening. We'll be right back in a minute. Use Claude AI to master your online business workflow and become more efficient with AI Alchemist. This isn't just another prompt course. It teaches you to rethink AI for real-world results. Join over 100 students already seeing success. Transform your business now. Link is in the description. Okay, so we're back. That took less than a minute. So just to give you an idea of how long that took, it was less than a minute. And we came back with images and so forth. So you're going to immediately see the ability now to connect our domain. So if I click that, then we're going to go in here. Looks like it's asking us to log in again, but you would just go through these steps right here to connect your domain. This is what our site looks like right now. It says Yoga Crush. Welcome to Yoga Crush. Experience the harmony of body and mind with our diverse yoga classes classes, unwind and rejuvenate in your hot yoga sessions. That's really cool. What you can do with this theme is you can come on and hover over anything, and you can actually push the regenerate button. It's going to rewrite that text, and you're going to basically just let AI, you're giving AI another chance to basically do something different, right? So we're going to go and rewrite this for us. I'm kind of talking over this. There you go. Discover the transformative power of yoga and blah, blah, blah. So pretty good. You can also go over here and you could regenerate with comments, and you could say, focus more on the hot yoga right here. And you could push add, and then it's going to, you basically are putting a specific prompt in right here. I really like the ability that we're able to do that. And we're able to do that per section right over here. We could also go and add a button, and this could be a select, a contact us. Maybe we want them to contact us. And then you can go and choose the what the button's going to look like and so forth. So boom, we've just added a button right there, but we do need to go and say, the button text. Yeah. So I'm just going to say reach out, boom. All right. So that functionality, pretty cool. Let's go take a look at what the rest of the website looks like. You can also go over here to the AI image. And of course you can say regenerate. It's going to go and, just get us another image. We can say regenerate again and regenerate again. We can also, we could say somebody, that is a very interesting image right there. We could also say, people doing hot yoga. Hopefully this works out for us. Yeah, that didn't really work for us. So I'm going to go back in over here and I'm just going to say yoga class. And let's see if we can get a yoga class type thing. So that's pretty cool. I like that one. All right, so you're going to scroll down our services. You've got yoga classes, we've got our personal yoga, and then we've got our hot yoga. So it was able to do a really good job at, kind of deciphering those 3 types of services that we offer, and it built the site accordingly, which is really cool. Maybe you come over here and switch this image out with something a little bit better, I like the ability that we're able to just push a button and get a new image. That's really cool. We can add buttons here to specific pages if we wanted to. We can also come in here and add sections. We can also build with AI. So I'm going to push the add section. So if we wanted to put in a testimonials section right over here, we could just click that and push generate right here. It's going to generate content. It's probably going to fill this with some dummy, fake testimonials that you'll just go in and update. But it's always nice to have kind of some dummy content, right? So that we can see what it looks like and so forth. So we have discover the transformational power of yoga. So if you have some actual testimonies, you could go in here and replace those and then maybe even add a picture of those people if you wanted to. Super cool. What I would like to see is the ability to adjust some of the padding on some of these sections. I'm not seeing the ability to adjust padding. Like right here, there's a big old blank white space. I don't know how we fix that. I'm not seeing any settings to be able to do that. We're going to keep scrolling through. We've got key features. We could change this out. They do have a lot of different sections that we can add. What is build with AI? We click on that. It's just going to generate some more content for us, I guess. Right over here, AI assistant. This is where we would tell what we want it to do in this section. So a customized section. Super cool. Let's scroll down and finish looking at this. And then you've got your footer section over here. We can go and we can edit the pages. This is where you're going to go and edit your pages. It already takes care of all of your page permalinks and your SEO already. Privacy policy, terms and conditions. So, and if we wanted to go into our privacy policy, you could go and click this button over here. We could change that right there if we wanted to. How do we get into some of these pages over here? We will have to go and look at that. We do have it's kind of like a one-page website. So when you come back up to the top, right, if we go and click on solution, it's going to take us to the solution area of the website. You can change the header, add pages, edit nav bar. So we could go and we can edit the navigation bar really easily there. We can go and edit pages, but I'm not seeing like where we can go in and actually go into the page where we want to, because I don't think that's actually like, how do I explain this? I think that this is just because this is a one-page website. So you're really not editing an actual page, if that makes sense. You're just, a page is actually a section on the site. They have a tutorial button, they have a change theme, regenerate, and you can add a page. So you can add a page this way. And I'm not sure if we have the ability to add a page and have it as a separate page on the website. It seems to just add it onto this one page website right here. Then we can go and change the theme. If you have different colors, is where you can change your fonts to something else. Let's go and just choose a different font right there, Pacifico, and then change this to, quicksand. And then we could go and we could change the font size right here. Maybe you want it to be bigger, cool. And then maybe you want to go and change the site to a different color like that. And then we would just say apply. We could also undo the changes if we wanted to. So now we have a completely different looking site right here. And when I'm going to go click back on change theme, because that's pretty much all we can do. The theme and the way that the layout and so forth doesn't really change. The only way you would be able to do that is by pushing the regenerate button. And I'm going to go ahead and do that just so we can take a look at what that's going to do. So I'm going to say regenerate now, and then we're just going to regenerate, and it's going to go and regenerate a site. If you didn't like the way that the layout was, then this is what you're going to push in order to go and get a new website created for you. It does seem to default with this yellow, orange, kind of red color. It didn't really change. We did regenerate, and it pretty much, for the most part, built the same website for us. It's generating this section for us right here. So I would have liked to see a completely different rearranged website, and it doesn't seem like it really did that for us. But this is what the website looks like right here. And then just adding a page would say we go to About Us, save. And is it adding an About Us page? It did do this part different. So there's a couple layout things that it did different for us. Discover the benefits of a yoga crush right over here. Give us some numbers. So it did change some things in the layout. It did change this front look for us as well, the way that this looks right here. So that's pretty cool. And then we have, some meet our visionaries, maybe the people that started the yoga studio and so forth. So pretty cool. And let's see what last thing we can do. So if we wanted to go and preview what the website will actually look like, this is what the website will look like. I'm going to go back, and then I'm just going to say next. And I don't know why it's asking us to do this part right here, but let me go and log in real quick. So we just logged in, and now it's saying something about the starter plan, the pro plan, but we are already on an AppSumo plan. So that part is a little weird. I'm not sure why it has us going through this step right here. And it's asking us to link a payment and stuff like that. So not really sure what's going on with this, because I'm not seeing how we can link our website without selecting a plan right here. It's literally telling us to select a subscription plan, but we already have a lifetime deal. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard over here. So we have our different versions of the site right here, which is cool. So this is where we would go back and link our domain. This is where we're able to link our domain. So we would enter our domain name right here, and then you push the link, and then it looks like it's going to be a pretty easy, seamless process right there. So super cool. That's kind of how, so there is going to be something, you're going to have to bypass that. You're going to have to log back in, come back over to the dashboard, ignore the pricing thing, go back into the dashboard, and that's when you're going to see your websites, right? So this is where you can go and edit your domain again, right over here, come right back in and edit your domain. And then I'm going to go into settings right here. This is where we can, again, edit our website, take live, link our domain. And then this is where you're going to go in. And if you have subscriber sign up forms, you can export your subscribers here. I'd like to see the ability to link this up to some popular CRMs. I don't know if that's, that's probably in the works, but at least you can get all those subscribers, and then you can move them over by exporting them. So it does have that built in. We have our SEO features over here, our keywords, our SEO, and then website structure. 7 out of 7 is complete. We have our secured SSL, mobile optimization, semantic website structure, AI content SEO optimized, high lighthouse scores, fast loading images, schema markup, robot text, site maps done, and then page metadata. You could go in and do your SEO right here and fix that up. I like all the features right over here. Very easy. This is really good for you if you just want something super easy, super simplified, super fast. What I would like to see is them have a higher plan, because I could see this as a business, you selling these services, these, a website creation as a service, and you could actually go and create these websites within an hour or two and charge people, $500, something like that, in order to do that. But, so we'll talk about that in just a minute. Your custom chat bot over here, integrate your chat bot. Creating a chat bot with trained on website data. So it's going to add a chat bot. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so we're back. You can change the logo out. You can title this. You can just put your description here. You can actually ask different questions that people have, and you can put the answers here. I like that they have this built into the application. That was a bonus. I didn't really see that from the start or on the sales page. And so this is a kind of a pleasant surprise that they have that. What was custom data again? This is where we can go in and add some custom data. We have some custom scripts right over here. I'm not really sure what we would do right here. Custom scripts. What is this? Body. Yeah, I really have no idea what this is. Analytics. over here. So this is going to be where we can hook up our Google Analytics, our Google Tag Manager, and so forth. And then there's your subscription plan. So overall, this was a Butternut AI. Pretty impressed with the tool. It seems like it was ready for launch. Seems like they have kind of built in everything. This is definitely for people that need a one-page website, that want to use AI in order to build a quick website that you can go in and edit later on. It's going to have all the basics that you need for a functioning website. It's probably going to be a little bit difficult if you're actually, going to be selling a product on a website or anything like that. I see this really good for like service-based information websites, one-pagers that you want to either collect leads, you want them to contact you, you just need a business website up and running. This is definitely obviously not, an e-commerce store website builder. It's not even going to be that great for selling a lot of products or anything like that. You're going to have to get creative on the links on those buttons and then use another service. Like I'm thinking of, you could probably create products that you're selling on Thrivecart, create the buttons on your website, and then when they click that, they go over to your Thrivecart checkout page to pay for your services and stuff like that. So you're gonna have to get a little bit creative on the payment side of things. But in general, I was impressed with this. I'd like to see them offer a tier 5, tier 6, maybe get up to 100 domains so that an agency could actually use this as a service and go out and make some really good money selling 100 websites to people. Maxing out at 25 domains, I'm really not sure who that is for, because it's really not going to be that beneficial to an agency that can only create 25 websites, which, that's only going to last for so long. But then if you're kind of a solopreneur, you're really not going to need 25 websites really. So it kind of, would have liked to see more on the pricing. Overall, in comparison with all the other AI website creators, I was very pleased with this one. It was very fast. It just did everything quickly, super slick interface. It does have all the basics that you need. I have to give this a 4.5. Just a couple things that, makes it, like a 5-star or whatever, right? But it's a very solid 4.5. Like I said, I would have liked to see the option to get more websites in there. Also with the unlimited blog posts, I'm not even seeing, that's one thing. I didn't see the ability to add, they're making this real big deal about AI generated blog posts per month. But when we go back in, I'm not seeing the ability to even go and write a blog post, right? Am I just completely missing this? Or do you have to link your domain and get that all set up before you can even write a blog post? I'm not sure. And you might need to actually set your whole domain up, which I don't want to go through that process because I'm not using this software in order to be able to write blog posts. I'm sure that's probably the case. So I wasn't able to test that out for you guys, but overall, this was impressive. If you need a quick AI website builder, I don't think you can go wrong with Butternut AI. There will be a link below. I give this a 4.5. Thanks for joining me.